What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have made it here to Block a Chip. We all know Block a Chip. We love Block a Chip. Tyler Boulevard here, came down this way after picking up the car from Rhino Mobile Detailing. Awesome day here. You guys know we always come here for the open house car shows. August 1st is going to be the actual driving portion of the car show here at Block a Chip. You guys know we did that as well last year. We had an awesome time doing that last year, had a blast doing that. We plan to do that again here this year. Today's car show, we're gonna go around and just look at a few of the cars, something that we don't usually see on the channel, but I'll try to get everything for you guys just to make sure that you guys see the whole entire car show, see all the cars here, talk to a few people if they come up to us, and just have a good time. So starting off here in the front, you guys have seen that STO before. It was here last year as well. We're just gonna speed through this here, just go along, and then we'll come back and do some more detailed stuff about each car and some specific things that you guys might want to see. So it looks like we got two Vipers here now this year. You guys have seen that Viper before. Another C5 right here. They did the license plate as well for heating. Another Z06 there. Nice looking spec on that Lambo. You guys know this car. We've seen this car before as well. It's a nice powder blue. Albert, what's going on? Good to see you guys.
Thanks for coming. Yeah.
You're welcome. Skyline. Nice. Other side, yeah. Good, how are you? Thanks for having the show again. Appreciate it.
It's always fun. Good turnout.
Yeah.
Weather turned out to be nice.
Thank God. We've had enough rain for the past few weeks. GTR. Another GTR right here. What up, bro?
How you doing? Good to see you. Still got the vet?
Yeah, it's over there. I just got here.
Yeah, see, I got a race for you.
How you doing? Unfortunately,